One of the biggest pain points I hear from business owners here at WIT Digital is not having enough good people working for them. Finding a qualified plumber or HVAC technician is really tough in this competitive market. So let's go over 2 strategies to help ease this burden: recruitment and retention. I'm Shayna, and this is WIT Wednesday. So first, recruitment. The first strategy you should have is to always be hiring, especially as slow shoulder season rapidly approaches. Hiring people can take a long time, and finding the right person can be really tough. So it's best to always be reviewing those resumes and being on the lookout for your next rockstar employee. So take this time when you're a little less busy during this shoulder season to really start building up your team and looking for that great talent. Number 2 is to cast a wide net. You want to be posting your job listing everywhere, as many places as possible. So on social media, on your website, advertising at tech schools, community college, go to job fairs, anything you think you can do to get your job listing out there is ideal. Ask your current employees if they know anybody and offer them a recruitment bonus if they're able to find somebody for you. You can host hiring events in person or virtually on Zoom. And if you have apprentice opportunities to train somebody who's unqualified or really green in the field, promote that as well. Really play the long game as well. We need more young people to understand these amazing job opportunities as technicians. So go to those high school events to promote these jobs so more people do end up going to trade school. We really want to promote these amazing job opportunities. Number 3, make competitive offers. So as you know right now, there are so many open jobs and there's a lot of competition. So you want to be able to offer a competitive wage, maybe do sign-on bonuses after 90 days of employment, and really talk about how great it is to work for your company. Because so many open positions are across the market in every field right now, you really want an enticing offer so you actually stand out and have a chance to attract those amazing, talented people. Next is going to be retention. It's so important to constantly be asking your team for feedback and making sure your employees are satisfied and happy with their work conditions. Keep in mind, just because nobody is complaining doesn't mean anything isn't wrong. So always ask for that feedback and look for those areas of opportunity. You want to create a culture, a place where you would love to come into work every day with a smile on your face. Create something that you would love. That way your employees love it too. Through benefits, paid time off, recognition for their hard work, it all adds up in building this positive work environment. And remember, replacing a great tech is way more expensive than hiring a new one. Next is invest in your employees. So through advancement opportunities, continual education, really take the time to make them better technicians. And really celebrate the personal wins as well. It's the little things, whether your employee buys a car or house, celebrate birthdays and work anniversaries. Making your employees better and happier at their job, again, is gonna really pay off, and it's gonna be a win-win. So really taking that time to build a place that they want to stay at for a long time. Unfortunately, there is no single solution on finding people and keeping them to work for your company. But if you take multiple strategies and approaches, you're going to be able to grow your business and team while serving your community. Good luck finding your next plumber, HVAC technician, or electrician out there. And thanks for joining me for this WIT Wednesday. I'll see you next time.